and welcome back. I'm excited to share with you a delicious and popular street food recipe called Dahi Phulki. It is a savory snack made with crispy lentil ball, also known as phulki. This dish is loved by people of all ages. So let's get started. In a bowl, take whole red chilies, garlic cloves, cumin seeds, water, grind it and make a fine paste out of it. In another big bowl, take gram flour, besan, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, paste which I have prepared before. We will be using only half of the paste. Rest keep it aside. Add baking soda, water, mix well and make a thick batter like this. Deep fry the phulkis in hot oil till light golden brown in color. Look at the golden crisp phulkis. Take it out. In a bowl, take whisk curd. Add the half of the paste which was kept aside. Add black salt as per your taste, water, mix well and make sure it has no lumps in the curd. In another bowl, take water, soaked all the phulkis in water for 3 to 4 minutes. Squeeze out all the excess water from it and dip it in the curd mix. Take some hot oil, add cumin seeds in it, let it splutter and pour it on the dahi phulkis. Garnish with some chopped corianders. Rest it for 20 to 25 minutes in fridge. Enjoy this street style dahi phulki at home. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.